Frequently asked questions. How can you gain more followers than what you already have? It depends on what you're actually using now to engage with your followers, but there is a 3-item rule to gain followers on Instagram. Gain by photos, gain by content, or gain by video. If you are currently engaging with content, try with photos or videos, or maybe a combination of the 3. Should you buy Instagram followers? If you value your time, your followers, and the type of engagement that you create, you shouldn't. If you have to buy followers because you are not generating engagement, it means that you should optimize your content and your strategy. Who should you follow if you're using Instagram as a brand? You should follow basically anyone who is interacting with your brand's account. There is enormous value in following ordinary followers as well as other brands to foster better engagement. What is the best equipment for an Instagram marketer? While lots of people find great success by using a high-resolution smartphone camera, serious Instagram marketing requires you to be prepared for any occasion. And the best equipment for any occasion includes a professional or mid-range camera, zoom lenses, and an action cam such as a GoPro. Will Instagram marketing work for you if you are from outside the US? Absolutely. While English is the most prominently used language when it comes to marketing on any platform, you can have great success no matter where you're from when you follow our training to the letter. Does Instagram improve your SEO? It can, but consider that SEO is not the strongest point of social media, as search ranks do not improve with social shares, no matter how much you're being shared. SEO on Instagram works when you build relationships with the right people and get them to share your non-social content with their following. Should you advertise your Instagram content? Organic reach dropped by 52% in 2016 for publishers, and content creators are publishers by nature. So you will benefit from some paid advertisement as long as you develop a clear advert strategy that will not deplete your marketing budget. Should you schedule your Instagram posts? Yes. Setting up a posting schedule will help you to post consistently and to craft better quality content. Scheduling will help you to avoid neglecting your account and to map out a distribution strategy. Should you use Instagram for business if you're in a serious industry? Many marketers make a mistake of thinking that social media is only for industries that target younger people. But the fact that companies such as banks and automation equipment manufacturers have been very successful on Instagram is evidence of the contrary. The secret is how you use your marketing strategy to reach out to your ideal audience. Should you manage your Instagram account by yourself, or should you use an Instagram-centered management tool? You are going to manage a business account, and that means that you're going to need as much assistance as possible. And management tools can help you to streamline your Instagram efforts by helping you to schedule posts in advance, measuring your performance through analytics, and working with a marketing team, among other things that are not possible to do efficiently on your own.